Pwede naman dire-diretso. Pag nakalimutan yung tanong, pwede ka naman usap. Okay.
Good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon, and I'm Robs of Robs GTV. I handle a YouTube account, an Instagram account, and also a TikTok account where I put up mini vlogs and stuff. And yeah, I've just started my Facebook page as well, Robs Gonzalez. Hope you guys follow me as well there because I also go live with my band Overload every night.
Question.
I started off as just making memories, and then after that, I saw a lot of people who were relating to my type of lifestyle, which is being a musician here in UAE. A lot of people think that a lot of us do a lot of bad things and stuff. We have a bad image, and because of this platform, I'm able to represent musicians that don't have vices and stuff like that. So it's a good platform for me to show the world that not all musicians are the same, or not all of us have a bad image.
Next is
Actually, managing my time as an influencer and as a full-time employee is really not easy. I'm also dealing with a couple of health issues with my uric acid and my obesity at times, so it is very nerve-wracking to try to get these type of things all in 24 hours. But I guess if you love something really, you'll find a way and find the time to manage it. So I'm still on the learning process on all my crafts, but this is something I really love.
next is how
Being an influencer changed my life in a sense that I'd never really realized how many people were really watching. And up till now, it's not like I've got millions watching me, but it is really fun to know that people do watch you, and you have to try to be on your best behavior at times because you never know who's gonna be watching you or seeing what are the bad things you may or may not do. So it really challenged me to become a better person.
ayun lang. Next is okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Get ready for surprises.
Salamat.
Guys, nakita ko dito si idol kong Rob. Ito, pakita ko cameraman. So ngayon, mayroon tayong bagong filter na ginawa sa cellphone. Pipicturean ko po siya. Tingnan nyo gano'n siya ka-astig. Smile ka lang ha. Tingin ka lang dito dyan. Alright. Tingnan tol.
Gag! Kuwang-kuwa! Ganda! Grabe, ang galing pala mong edit. Alam mo, ngayon na ako nakaranas ng ganitong editing. Wait.
Sige lang. Ang tanga mo talaga, no?
Minsan tayo naging tanga sa pag-ibig, bro.
Nagdadamay pa to. Ikaw lang ang tanga sa pag-ibig. Meron na ako, marami na ako. Puro matang may gusto mo.
Pengi naman! Kahit isa lang.
Mahilig ka din si Mami? Mamingir?
So, ma'am, ano po yung pangalan ng channel niyo, ma'am? Dalagang Pilipina.
Duday.
Duday.
EUT.
EUT, ha?
Oo. Oo, sige, EUT. Corner. Sa Gedli.
Pwede ba yun sa TikTok?
Pwede yun sa TikTok.
Okay.
Parang ayoko na nito.
Guys, comment down below kung kailangan ko rin palitan yung pangalan ng ano ko, Rob's Youth Corner.
O, di ba?
Pero ini food ang content ko.
Oo.
Pero kumakain pa rin ako.
Ano yun?
Ang bilis.
Rob Gonzalez.
Ang kulit niya ginagaya niya si Mekos Mekos kasi ito naging talaga siya eh. Si Mr. Nobody, di ba, very famous siya sa pagpapa-Mekos Mekos at pagto-tornado. Siya kasi nung nasa photoshoot, kasi I don't know if Rob has an Indian blood or something. Pero grabe, sobrang komedyante to. Kaya pa nagsama si Alawi at saka ito. Ang gulo.
Kasama natin sa Christmas party yan.
Ayun.